Hi, I'm Ihlenfeldt, and today I'd like to show you a guide to the logistics behind car tyres. I'd like to begin by discussing a general overview of the industry supply chain for car tyres. While the supply chain between company to company will change, an excellent benchmark is that of Michelin and Bridgestone, two of the leading suppliers of tyres worldwide and both with well-documented supply chains. The production of a car tyre provides an excellent example of a forward supply chain. Suppliers provide raw materials for tyre production in the form of natural and synthetic rubber, textile reinforcement cables, carbon black and silica, and a variety of chemicals that are utilized for enhancing tyre strength. Materials are then sent to a mixing plant where specific formulas for each different kind of tyre is used. From here, the mixture is sent to the manufacturing plant where new tyres are made using a system of various mixtures and belts to create each different tyre. Tyres are then cured and finished before they enter a fundamental step, quality control. As a tyre is the only part of a car that should ever touch the road, high safety measures are paramount. Most quality control is done in-house during manufacturing. Then the tyre is sent off to distribution centres. Distribution centres then handle the outbound products. Companies such as DHL can create unique supply chain options such as strategic placement of centres and the use of freight for customer deliveries. From here, the outgoing products are sent to tyre dealers, automotive companies, and retailers before being finally sold to the consumer. Throughout the supply chain, information and information systems are paramount for success. Decision support systems such as the transport management systems and warehouse management systems have become commonplace within various tyre companies. Transport management has made routing, load management, and tracking almost trivial in these companies. Warehouse management, on the other hand, utilizes RFID for both incoming and outgoing products to allow for real-time updates of current warehouse capacity. It is imperative that transaction processing systems such as RFID and barcodes are properly implemented to allow for the smooth operation of these support systems. Both these systems allow for the collection of accurate transportation and warehousing measures. Measures such as labor costs, transit time, and warehouse design are examples of imperative information that are utilized for accurate logistic efficiency. Additionally, office automation system packages such as Microsoft Word and Excel are present within all facets of the supply chain, allowing for easy reporting and information correlation. However, the tyre industry is not without its challenges. The current political climate demands a level of corporate social responsibility that has not always been a priority for the tyre industry. Due to the inherent ecological and sustainability issues of tyre production, more sustainable methods must be utilized to allow for tyre production to operate greener. From a logistic point of view, however, a unique solution presents itself. This is seen by the new suggestion to try and modify the forward supply chain into a closed-loop supply chain utilizing reverse logistics. This would see a further emphasis on retreading old tyres by disposing of the outer tread layer while keeping the inner layer, approximately 80% of the tyre itself. Utilizing a centralized return point, which would act essentially as a warehouse, tyres would be assessed of their quality, with suitable tyres sent off to retread centres and unsuitable ones being disposed to energy recovery centres for power production or recycle centres for scrap rubber. Retread centres would then be able to reintegrate back into the existing supply chain by sending retreaded tyres back to distribution centres and to be resold at a lower price and be produced at a lower cost. This, however, would require additional safety protocols and parameters. As these tyres are being reintroduced from existing old stock, they would have to face harsher and stricter quality control methods to ensure that quality is met throughout the entire supply chain. This concludes a brief guide to the logistic concepts involved within the tyre industry. Throughout this video, the typical supply chain of a tyre company has been defined, key information and information systems have been discussed, and future problems, namely that of sustainability, have been assessed using critical logistic thinking. Thank you.